Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be working on another triangle canvas. I thought the last one that I worked on was a lot of fun, but this time we're going to use some different colors and a different technique, so feel free to do this at home too. If you would like a link to the triangle canvases that I found on Amazon, I will provide the link below. So my plan is, I bought these, they kind of look like ketchup bottles you find at a diner. So I put some different colors in here, black, purple, white. I'm going to use the remainder of this blue. I did add a little bit of purple to it, so it's kind of like a dark bluish purple, and some gold. Had these for a little bit, so we're gonna dive right in. I have this kind of shovel looking thing that I'm going to use. I think today I want to do a tree ring. So if you don't know what that is, you pour different colors in here, kind of like layer by layer, and when you're done you can go anywhere you want on the canvas to start. I'll probably start maybe slightly off the middle of the canvas and just do small circles over and over and over again. And you'll see what that does, and it makes a really cool effect. So, let's see. I do want the majority of this canvas to be purple, so we'll start off with purple. Yeah, so you can really go crazy with the colors if you want. So like I said, it does make a very cool effect. And the shovel thing, I'm not really sure what to call it, carries a good amount of paint. It's like a nice curve on the bottom, almost like a bowl. So I'm just going to fill this up as much as I can that I think will fill the triangle. And I'm debating on whether to put a base coat on the triangle, because sometimes, well, most of the time, the paint flows a lot better when there's already paint on the canvas. So yeah, I probably will do that. Alright, I think this will be just the amount of paint I'll need. I'll leave that over here. Move these aside. And I'm gonna put the base coat on. So I'll probably just take this cover off and pour it in. Okay. Got my Liquitex Freestyle spatula palette knife. Alright, so let's just spread this around. So, like I said, it's all about the swirl motion that you do. So I'm going to pick off center, and we're going to slowly pour this out. Just keep swirling. I'm going to bring this up. All right, cool. So I'm gonna pick this up because it's already starting to drip off the side. So you just kind of want to slowly rotate it around. Since this is a triangle, this is a little bit harder. I just want to make sure I don't lose any of the paint. Which, I mean, it is kind of inevitable. You're always going to lose some sort of paint. Let's bring that over here. Perfect. We'll bring this up. I'm sure you guys see that. That's super cool. Alright. I'm going to put this down before I drop it. There have been times that I've dropped it. Okay, so there are some white spots that I need to fill. So that's what I'm doing right now. So if you ever feel like, oh no, I didn't use enough paint, or a lot of times there's little paint droplets you can use on the bottom of the canvas that's about to fall over. And you can just pick that right up and place it over the spots that need to be filled. And that'll work just fine. Sorry if you hear yelling. I have 4 brothers, and they're all incredibly loud in their own ways, and all gamers, so that adds another layer of volume. So naturally there's just always going to be noise here. So there's a lot of like white circles appearing here. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you kind of can. It's like right over here. I don't know if I like that. So what I could try to do is maybe pour it down a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I could just take some of the paint here. Just dab it. Maybe I can just lift it and like do that. Still kind of there. Then maybe drip this off my finger. Sometimes just take paint from the table if it looks like it matches a bit. I'll just do that. I think that looks super cool. So I just need to torch it, but I need to wash my hands first, which is hard. So that means I gotta take the mic off. So I'm just gonna wipe my finger on the table. Alright, I'm back. So I'm a dum-dum, and I thought I took off my engagement ring before I did this. Turns out I didn't. So I had to wash off all the paint from that, and I think I'm okay. So I'm going to torch this right now. See what happens. You want to be very careful when you're torching your canvas, because there are times where I've kept it the flame on one part for too long, and well, I burnt the canvas, so that wasn't cool. Okay, some of the cells are coming up when I stay on the white. That's pretty cool. I'm running out of butane. That's why the flame is getting smaller. Alright, well, that's my brother singing the Pokemon battle theme song. Alright, I think I'm done touching this. It'll probably be for the best. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and I'm excited to see how this one dries. If you try the tree ring pour, show me and comment down below. But remember to like, subscribe, and comment to see more art related content and all of that. So, alright, bye guys.